Hello, dear students. Good morning. Today, I welcome you to your social studies class. I am your social studies teacher, Devlina. In today's class, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 5. The name of the chapter is The Role of Children. So children, please open your book and let's start. So children, in our last chapter, we learned the role of parents in a family. As you know, that family is made up of basically parents and children. What do parents do? Parents looks after children. They work hard to provide their children whatever they need. They give their children good education. But in a family, what are the duties of the children? We will read that in this chapter. I hope you have opened your book. The chapter 5 is on page number 23. So please open page number 23 of your book. Let's start. We all know that our parents do a lot for us. We have read about their duties in the last chapter. We need to help our parents at home. I mentioned earlier that we should obey and help our parents. This is our main duty. We should put our things in proper places. Children, do not put your things in the wrong places. Keep them in the right places and in proper order. Number 2, keep our house clean. We should not put plastics, crayons, books everywhere. We should keep them in their proper places and we should throw the waste materials in dust bins. Number 3, help mother in the kitchen. You can help your mother in little things in the kitchen. You can bring her small things from the store as well. Number 4, bring things from nearby shop. I was talking about this. You can go to the nearby neighborhood stores to get things, to buy sugar or potatoes and help your mother in cooking in this way. Number 5. Water plants every day. Children, do you have plants in your house? Do you have a garden? If there is a garden or any plants in your house, then water them every day. Plants also have life. Number 6. Entertain our guests. If any guest comes to your house, welcome them and talk politely with them. You should entertain them. Number 7. Do our homework daily. This is very important. Do not skip your homeworks. You should always finish your homework within proper time. That will help you to study well. Now, number 8. Share our things. We should always share our things with others, with our parents, with our sisters or brothers, or with friends. That will give you a lot of happiness. So children, now we will talk about bad habits and good habits. On your book, you have been given 2 pictures on page number 24 and 25. The pictures are of the same house. The room looks same, but there is something different. What difference is there? Let's look. Children, please open page number 24 and 25. I will show you the difference.
On page number 24, the children are quarreling. They have not kept their things in proper places, and the mother is angry. But on page number 25, the children are talking politely and they have kept their room clean. The mother is happy.
Now, I will tell you some good habits and some bad habits. Children, always follow the good habits and you have to avoid the bad habits. Let's look. Here is the list of good habits and here is the list of bad habits. You should follow these while you should avoid this. Now, the first good habit is to help others. Help others. You should follow this habit. And the bad habit is to disturb others. Disturbing others is a bad habit. You should not follow this. The next good habit is to be polite. You should always talk politely with others. So always be polite with others. The bad habit is quarreling. Quarreling is a very bad habit. You should avoid this. Now, the third good habit is be humble. You should act humbly with others. That is a good habit. And the bad habit is rude behave. You should not behave rudely with anybody. So, avoid this bad habit. Now, the last good habit is to greet everyone. You should say good morning, good night, etc. to everybody. Always follow this, and you should avoid ignoring others. You should not ignore the person in front of you. So these were some good habits and some bad habits. I hope you will follow the good habits. Now we will read the last page of this chapter, that is page number 26. So please open page number 26. We ought to obey our parents and grandparents. We should always spend time with our grandparents. Parents feel happy when their children help them. So, what are the duties? Obey elders, spend time with them, help elders. You should always obey the instructions of your parents as well as of your grandparents and other elders. You should also obey your teachers. Now, spend time with them. Sometimes we become busy with games and other activities, and we cannot spend time with our parents and grandparents. We should not do this. We should always try to talk with them, to share our experiences with our elders. These make them feel good. And lastly, help your elders. Parents feel very happy when their children try to help them. Not only your elders in your house, you should also help any old person on road as well. If you see some old man or some old woman with heavy load or some sort of difficulties, try to help them. They need our help. So, these were the duties of children. Now, I will finish my class here. I hope you have understood the chapter well. Now, children, don't forget to read your book. I will meet you in my next class. Till then, goodbye.